That clock, then I'm out the door. Sweat and grit, I earn my pay. Dreaming of the rally at the end of the day. Cold beer waiting, engines roar. Freedom's calling, can't ignore. Work hard, drink hard, ride all night. Bike rally, thunder, neon lights. Raise a glass, keep the fire alive. Old lady smiling, we survive. We survive. Long week grinding, hands worn raw. But the weekend's here, we break the law. And sisters, we make our stand. She's by my side through thick and thin. Her laugh's the prize when the night began. Respect and love, that's how we roll. Honor and grit in a rock and roll song. Survive. Engines fade, but the bond stays true. Work, ride, party, me and you. Hard roads, hard nights, we never fall. Love and respect,